Founded by Act No. 76 on the founding of a Czechoslovakian veterinary college on the 12th of December 1918. The University of Veterinary and Pharmaceutical Sciences was the first university founded in the newly established Czechoslovak Republic. Since then, it garnered a reputation both nationally and internationally. In 1990, the university was expanded with the addition of the new Faculty of Veterinary Hygiene and Ecology. In 1991, a third faculty, the Faculty of Pharmacy, was established. Since 1994, the University of Veterinary and Pharmaceutical Sciences has been the official name of the institution. The University of Veterinary and Pharmaceutical Sciences is the only one in the country focused on veterinary medicine, veterinary hygiene, and ecology, and one of just 2 institutions providing pharmaceutical education. It is located on a campus in the Kralova Polep quarter of Brno. Prospective students apply to study at the faculty of their choice by the end of February. The entrance examinations focus on biology, chemistry, and also physics for the pharmacy applicants and usually take place in June. Accepted students become members of the academic community through a matriculation ceremony and take the student's oath. The oldest faculty at the university, the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, carries out a 6-year study program. The study plan includes classes in basic, preclinical, and clinical subjects covering the whole spectrum of veterinary medicine. The studies are particularly aimed at diagnosis, treatment, and the prevention of animal diseases. To conclude their studies, students must pass an advanced state exam consisting of clinical subject examinations of their choice and, optionally, thesis defense. Students also have to pass individual examinations on animal infection, legislation, and food hygiene. After completing all the requirements, graduates are awarded the degree of Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, abbreviated to MVDR. They find occupations mainly as private veterinarians, both office-based and out in the field. The faculty carries out a veterinary medicine study program in English with the same scope as the Czech version, though focusing on treating animals in the students' home countries. Today, students from Norway, Sweden, Germany, Cyprus, Israel, and other countries take part in the program. The Faculty of Veterinary Hygiene and Ecology carries out a study program in the field of veterinary hygiene and ecology. It takes 6 months to finish and includes the whole scope of veterinary medicine subjects with a strong focus on the veterinary medicine of food animals, especially cattle, swine and poultry, the production of food of animal origin, the hygienic suitability of food and its inspection. After finishing these studies, the graduates are awarded the degree of Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, abbreviated to MVDR, and find occupations mostly as government veterinarians in food quality inspection. The Faculty of Veterinary Hygiene and Ecology carries out a bachelor and subsequent master's study program in the area of food safety and quality. It takes 3 years to complete and is concluded by the defense of the bachelor thesis and a final state examination. The graduates are awarded a bachelor's degree, abbreviated to BC. The subsequent master's studies take 2 years and are focused mainly on food hygiene and technology, laboratory analysis, and the ecological aspects of food legislation and inspection in the area of food, of plant and animal origin. The studies are concluded by the defense of a thesis and a final state examination. The graduates are awarded a master's degree, abbreviated to MGR. They find work in the field of food inspection or in food-producing facilities in the areas of production, processing, transportation, and the sale of food, in food inspection laboratories and government service. Prospective pharmacists study at the Faculty of Pharmacy. The studies take 5 years to complete and include classes in basic scientific, medical and pharmaceutical subjects. The students acquire a knowledge of drugs, their technology and effects in the human body. By the end of their studies, students will have undergone a 6-month internship in a pharmacy. The graduates find occupations in drug manufacture, inspection and distribution, and in pharmaceutical education. After finishing their master's program, the graduates can defend an advanced thesis, pass an advanced state exam, and get a Doctor of Pharmacy degree, abbreviated to PharmDR. All curricula are compliant with the European credit transfer system. Practical education at the university farm and internships in industry with veterinarians and veterinary organizations. In pharmacies and other institutions are essential parts of the education process. We aim for a practical education that allows our students to acquire all the skills necessary for their occupation before graduation. Studies are formally concluded by a graduation ceremony. It takes place in the University Assembly Hall in the presence of university dignitaries. The graduates take an oath and are presented with a diploma confirming their degree and its supplement, with details about the course of studies in Czech and a foreign language to facilitate their employment abroad. The University of Veterinary and Pharmaceutical Sciences also carries out postgraduate doctoral studies. The entrance examination for these consists of an interview with the applicants to assess their ability to perform scientific work. The studies are finished by defending a dissertation thesis and passing the state doctoral examination, and are formally concluded by a graduation ceremony. The graduates are awarded a doctorate degree, abbreviated to the letters PhD after their name. Lifelong education is an important part of a university's mission. At the University of Veterinary and Pharmaceutical Sciences, it includes professional education to reach first and second degree government veterinarian certification, as well as education enabling the auditing of food production, animal protection control, regulating experiments on animals, certification for animal transportation, and other professional skills. The quality of education is verified both nationally and internationally. Education on all 3 faculties is regulated by the European Union 2005/36/EC Directive on the recognition of professional qualifications. On the national level, the quality of educational processes are checked by the Accreditation Committee of the Ministry of Education. All facilities have been positively evaluated. The university is open to experience from abroad and supports the exchange of students and teaching staff within international programs. Students and teachers participate in long and short-term stays all over Europe, and lately in the United States as well. The mobility of students is also facilitated by a number of bilateral agreements of cooperation with foreign institutions. Research activities are an important part of the university's task. Its funding is principally provided by government grants, university research funds, cooperation with business enterprise, as well as by international projects. There are more than 50 projects currently running. The most important being a 7-year project focused on the area of veterinary aspects of food quality and safety. The results of scientific research are published with the publications summed up in an annual list of publications.